In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. If you've been hunting for a save button and coming up empty, don't worry. CapCut uses background saving, so your work is protected without you having to do anything. I'll show you exactly what to look for and how to keep your projects organized. First, CapCut doesn't use a traditional save command. There's no manual save button and no need for a keyboard shortcut. Instead, glance up to the very top bar of the screen. You'll see a small status that says Saved. That indicator is your confirmation that CapCut has already written your latest changes to the project. As you edit, whether you're trimming clips, splitting footage, nudging audio, or fine-tuning timing, CapCut automatically backs up those adjustments the instant you make them. The result is a seamless workflow where you can focus on storytelling and timing rather than worrying about hitting save. Next, let's keep your project organized with a clear name. Look to the Properties panel in the top right corner. You'll see the default project name field. Click into that box and type a descriptive title for your video. Use something clean and meaningful so it's easy to identify later. You can include details like the topic or version in the name to keep multiple drafts straightforward to find. You can rename at any point during editing, and it won't interrupt your work. Think of this as labeling your project, so it's instantly recognizable whenever you return to it. When you're finished editing for now, there's still nothing to save manually. Just head to the menu button in the top left corner and select Back to Homepage. Your project will close safely, and you'll see it appear right at the top of your drafts folder. That placement makes it quick to pick up exactly where you left off the next time you open CapCut. Because everything has been saved in the background along the way, you can step away with confidence, knowing your progress is secure. That's the whole system. Effortless, always-on auto-saving that keeps your edits protected from the moment you make them. Name your project for clarity, return to the home page when you're done, and your draft will be waiting for you. Zero-effort auto-saving, so your edits are always secure. You're all set, done.